So right now I have 3 cups of flour, so I'm gonna add the rest of ingredients. I have I have 1 teaspoon of sugar here. This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I have 2 teaspoons of yeast and a half of a teaspoon of salt. So next I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of oil. I always like to mix my dry ingredients thoroughly before I add the wet ingredients. So next I will add the 2 tablespoons of oil, and then warm water to combine these ingredients until I get a very sticky dough. That's 1. This is 2. Never really like sticky dough, so this is really hard for me. So I saw this recipe from, well, on YouTube from I think is Trini. I can't even remember. I think is like Trini cooking, something like that, with V-Dish. We'll put the name of his YouTube channel at the bottom of the screen. Right. So I think I'm gonna leave the dough like this and cover it. Now this is my second time trying to make doubles. I hope the first time was a failure. So Let's hope that this one comes out way better. So now I'll cover it and leave it for about an hour. That's what the recipe says. And let it raise, or until it the dough doubles in size.
Adesso aperta le pianzoni. Mai tay with the onion, right? To bring anything. May nick na eh?
I will drop it in. Let's rest the tongues in a second. Rest the tongues. Rest the tongues. I will turn it.
Alright.
And then just go very close to the pot. Go close. Alright.
Too long. I'll do one more, right?
Yeah.
Chadon, Beni. The song can I get what are you doing? Oh, Beni's on a good job. No way, this is rather bara consistency, excellent. It actually tastes like real doubles. And the channa was well cooked, soft and nice, and the shadow Beni had nice flavor. So enjoy, guys.
Islands in the sun.